Okay, so we're doing exchange rates today. So you've just looked at the previous slide, this slide that says to convert from one to any number, multiply by the exchange rate. Okay, so follow the arrow. To convert from any number back to one, divide by the exchange rate. So you're going to be dividing to go back. Normally, if you go on holiday, you multiply. If you come back, you divide. That's the general rule. Okay, but just be careful with that. So on the next slide, you've got these examples. You need a calculator for this topic, so make sure that's ready. So using the exchange rate then, £1 equals €1.26, 1.26 euros. Convert the following, £250 into euros. So as we're going from £1 to €1.26, you're multiplying to get from pounds to euros, and you're dividing by the magic number 1.26 to get back to pounds. Okay, so this is the number you're going to be multiplying and dividing by. So converting £250 into euros, pounds to euros, multiplied by 1.26. So 250 multiplied by 1.26 is 315, making sure your answer is in euros. Next part, part B, £600 back into pounds, okay, from euros to pounds. You're going to be dividing by this exchange rate number. So 600 divided by 1.26, press SD. This time you've got a pound sign, and you've got 476.19. I've made it 0.19 because I want to make it look like money, and I've rounded to the nearest pence. Let's have a look at part C. The exchange rate for dollars, so exchanging this exchange rate now into a different one, is 1.61. So again, from pounds to dollars, we multiply, and from dollars to pounds, we have to divide. So the question says, I have 475 euros. How many dollars could I get? So we've got a combination of euros, pounds and dollars in this question. First of all, I need to get from euros. I can't get straight from euros to dollars. I haven't got that exchange rate. Okay, so I'm going to have to change from euros. First of all, I'm going to need to change that into pounds. And I do this, euros to pounds is dividing by 1.26. So 475 divided by 1.26 gives me 376.98. I'm going to use all the digits here because I don't round until the end, like I've said a few times before. Okay, so you don't round in the middle of a calculation, you round at the end. We'll keep all those digits there. Then we've got to change this pounds into dollars, because the answer has to be in dollars. And to change pounds to dollars, we multiply by this 1.61. So pounds to dollars multiplied by 1.61. So keeping that number on the calculator, I'm going to multiply by 1.61, and I get this answer here. So I'm using my dollar sign, £606.94. Be careful, it's 0.4 recurring. If I round 0.4444, it's going to round up to 0.94. Okay, so we're going to keep it as 0.94 as the nearest cent. Okay, check the question. How many dollars could I get? That's my final answer, $606.94.